what you see here is my own geomantic research. Now this pendulum, this negative turn anti-clockwise, is over land that for I don't know how many years, let's say 20 plus years, was filled in order to be cheap. It was filled, all the construction material, the sand, the clay, the stone, everything was just filled in around the house, not to have to transport it away, and nothing really was put on top. So there's no land, topsoil, nothing natural here. That's what you're seeing there. Now here, over 3 years, the land at the corner here where I'm going to move has been developed organically, and that is that a top layer was put on using straw. 2 years ago it was a layer of compost, but really it's now been built up with straw and then planted onto, because of course the plants can survive. And so what I'm about to show you is incredibly important. So this is the ground, this is the geomantic reading of the ground area. And I now move this across to the cultivated area where human has intervened on the organic level. So this is now in the area that has been treated with just no-dig organic principle. I'm right over the fungi came in because of the straw. Now I'm going to go back to the stone, sand, concrete, just filler that was done on the land. And I'm going back now to what was created by the human intervention to create an organic. Now you can see the power. I mean, I'm holding this pretty close, and I think it's clear, right, the power. And I'm going to talk about this in more detail now.